Ancient grains have been part of the Greek diet for thousands of years. I'm making a beautiful Bulgur Pilaf. Bulgur is a kind of cracked wheat. It's really easy to work with. Add water, twice the amount. I'm gonna serve it with a beautiful piece of fish. All I have to do is let it soak, absorb the water, and soften up. I have a beautiful piece of Greek sea bass here. I'm just gonna roast it really simply with some herbs and some lemon, some rosemary, some thyme. Any fresh herbs you like will go really beautifully in here. I'm just gonna salt my fish inside and out, and a little bit of pepper, just for some flavor. The fresh herbs will give really gorgeous flavor to the fish. I like to put herbs around the fish as well. I'm just gonna slice some lemon. This looks really pretty, and it adds really nice flavor too. A little bit of olive oil. And I'm just gonna pop this in the oven. So I'm gonna start my delicious Bulgur Pilaf. I'm just gonna get my fennel and leeks going. Think of tabbouleh. That's really what bulgur is. It's the base for a tabbouleh salad. Except for this Bulgur Pilaf, I'm cooking some of my vegetables, my fennel, my leek. This is gonna cook up for just a couple of minutes, really just to soften. I add some of my own little touches here, some chopped walnuts and some green olives. I like to hand chop the walnuts, just a very rough chop. Again, this is just a rough chop. I love the green olives because they add a little bit of color. And I want to show you something. I want my vegetables to have a little bite to them. I want that crunch. So you really want al dente fennel and al dente leeks in here. They retain their color that way too. And a little bit of garlic. The next thing that's going in here are these gorgeous tomatoes. Just a little bit of salt, a bit of pepper, and my secret ingredient, ouzo. My bulgur should be ready. And look at that. It's nice and plump and soft, but still granular. That's exactly what we want. I'm just gonna add my tomatoes, leeks, and fennel, a little bit of parsley. I'm using dill here. This goes really well with the lemon and goes really well with fish. My olives, these crunchy walnuts, and just a little bit of lemon zest. And I'm just gonna toss this. I'm gonna add just a little bit of olive oil to this. As soon as this is plated up, I'm gonna get my fish out of the oven. Look at this beauty. I can't wait to taste this. Super healthy Greek meal. Oh, look at that. And get off just a tiny corner of the fish. It's really crunchy, but the bulgur is nice and tender. This is the perfect example of how to live well, eat delicious food, and feel great.